Checking online Korean Air. Hello, everybody, and welcome to our channel. Today, you're gonna learn how you can make the check-in process in KoreanAir.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, you must remember that if you want to make the check-in process, it could be done in the 48 or even perhaps 24 hours before the flight departure. In any case, if you don't have that option, you just have to do it directly into the airport. So remember also that you are going to find koreanair.com website links in the description of this tutorial. So this is simple. What you're going to need here is in this square, click on check-in, and this is going to ask you for your booking reference or ticket number, the departure date, so it could be these dates. As I told you, it could be done like 48 hours before the flight departure, not more time, your last name and first and middle name, and that's how you're going to continue with the process. This is going to search your booking. Any case, the booking reference used to be 6 digits with between numbers and letters, and the ticket number sometimes are 13 digits, but I guess this is just an 8 digits code, okay? And that's how you can do it. Once you have completed this data, you must click on search, and this is gonna continue with your check-in process, adding some extra seats, some extra baggage, or anything you need in your flight, or just to continue with the check-in process and confirm you're gonna be in that flight. Also, I by now I'm not gonna be able to show you the full process because I don't have a ticket from koreanair.com, but that's how you can do it. Just follow the steps, and I really assure you that you're gonna be able to make the check-in online in koreanair.com. Thanks for watching.